Navneet, career psychologist with Plutus IAS. So today we're going to talk about mathematics optional. Your optional batch will be started from 4 July and by Karan Sadhwani sir. His qualification is BSc Hons in Mathematics from BHU, and he already appeared a 2019 interview and assistant post of CAPF in 2019. Okay, and he also appeared mains exams in 2022 and he got a 130 marks in essay writing and he got a 271 marks in mathematics optional in 2022. So he will guide you and mentor you as well as. Okay, so your optional batch will be started from 4 July. It's an early morning batch. Timing is 7:10 AM. Okay, so we will provide you classes Monday to Friday. Your course duration is 7 to 8 months. We will provide you classes Monday to Friday, and one more thing, we have a limited batch size. Only 45 to 50 students can enroll in our one batch, and they will be divided into 3 modes: online, offline and hybrid course. Online means pure online. You will take a live interactive classes on a daily basis, and if you have any doubt, you clear all the doubts on the spot with the chat process and audio process. Okay, and recordings are also available. Offline means pure offline. You will take a offline classroom program on a daily basis. Hybrid means online, offline, both the access are available for you and recordings are also available. Okay, so we will provide you classes Monday to Friday, and if you have any doubt, you clear all the doubts on the spot from your concerned faculty. And one more thing, we have if you want an individual doubt session on a Saturday basis, so you can also conduct your individual doubt session from your concerned faculty on Saturday basis. Okay, Sunday will be off for the self preparation. Your course duration is 7 to 8 months. We will conduct your weekly test on Saturday basis, and your test paper is also checked by Karan Sadhwani sir. Okay, and after the course completion, your test series will be started. We will provide you 12 tests, 8 is sectional and 4 is full length. Okay, so it's your full-fledged course for mathematics optional. Books, test series, faculty handouts, notes, PPT files, soft copy content, everything including in your fees. Online fee is 55,000, offline fee is 60,000 and hybrid fee is 65,000. For again, if you target the 2024, okay, and if your target year is 2023, so we will provide you mathematics crash course. Okay, so it's conducted by Karan Sadhwani sir and date is 5th July. We will provide you classes Monday to Saturday. Daily 2-hour classes we will provide you. It's a online process. Okay, we will provide you online mathematics crash course. For target year is 2023. Okay, so all the best to every aspirant, and thank you so much.